Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to mute all the participants in your Zoom meetings. So first you will need to open your Zoom desktop client and sign in with your Zoom account, and if you do not have it, just sign in with your Google account or Facebook or Apple account. So then you will be redirected to the home page here, and you will find this window. Now we want to start a new meeting so we can be a host, and then we can mute all the participants. Basically, when you click on this orange button, the meeting uh, will be hosted automatically by Zoom client. So now I have this Zoom window meeting, and here at the bottom there is the taskbar. So basically here we can do all the actions or all the settings of our meeting. Also we can add objects like break rooms, apps, whiteboards, etc. Now we are interested by the participant menu or choice, and here we can find all the participant list. So basically, to mute all the participants, we want just to click on mute all, and this will mute them automatically uh, in Zoom meeting. Also, make sure that you don't allow participants to unmute themselves, so when you mute them, they won't remove the muting. So we click yes, and our feature is now activated. But make sure that you are the host of this meeting so you can do this operation. And if you want to let them talk, just go to security and uh, allow participant to, and click on the unmute themselves so they can unmute themselves again. So basically, this is how you can mute all the participants in the Zoom meetings. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.